Hi, I'd like to show you how you can optimize a business process using Office 365, Teams, and the Power Platform. In this example, we'll be looking at a safety walk. Our key objectives for the process are simple. Simple for the creator in that we want it to be easy to create and maintain. Simple for the consumer in that we want it to be intuitive and encapsulated. And by encapsulated, we mean not having to use too many systems to get your job done. We want the system to be collaborative, to foster the ability to collaborate on work items throughout the process. And it also must be insightful to continually provide visibility and insights into the process for all of the stakeholders. This is Pradeep. He's a member of the Contosa Electronic Safety Team. One of his responsibilities is walking the facilities to ensure that everyone is safe. This morning, he is at the Nutley F1 facility. As he's walking the floor, he notices a line worker with an older safety helmet. He checks with the associate Peter to see why. Peter tells him there weren't any of the new ones in the equipment room, and they keep a few of the older ones around just in case. Pradeep thanks Peter and walks over to the equipment room and verifies there are no new safety helmets available. Pradeep enters an issue in the Safety Tracker app to begin the process. Let's take a look at the app that Pradeep is using. He's going to come in to add a new issue. He's going to add a title. We'll just put in description. What facility he's working in. In this case, it's Nutley F1. The priority of the issue, and we're going to mark this as high. The status, and we're going to put the status as in progress. Who it's assigned to. In this case, we're going to assign it to Pradeep himself. The date reported, which is going to be today. Now the action required, we're going to say a requisition. We're assuming that they're out of stock. And any notes required. We're also going to take a picture. And there I am. I can take a couple pictures if I like. And we'll save it. So now Pradeep has entered an issue. Now that Pradeep has entered an issue in the app, let's see what happens behind the scenes. Using Power Automate, we have triggered several workflows. A text has been sent to the facilities manager. Whenever an issue occurs, we want to ensure all relevant parties are notified, and we are providing visibility and transparency. A post is created in Teams. This gives visibility to our coworkers and provides an opportunity for collaboration and knowledge sharing. Depending upon the type of issue, we have the ability to begin a business process in another system. In our example, we need to add safety helmets to stock, so we're creating a purchase requisition. If a repair was needed, a work order would have been created and the appropriate technician dispatched. In my example, I'm showing Dynamics as receiving system. However, this can be SAP, Oracle, ServiceNow, etc. There are over 200 plus connectors for systems. We then update views and lists to simplify and consolidate data for reporting. This is Christy. She is a safety team manager. Pradeep is a member of her team. She is responsible for all the facilities in the Northeast region. Christy sees the post in Teams that describes the issue entered by Pradeep. She remembers this happening in the past, and the app mentions Pradeep that she will do some research. Christy then clicks on the Issues tab and filters by facility. Wow, she was correct. This has happened in the past. She has a good memory. Now she's going to check the Policies tab to see what should be in place in that facility. She can see by the policy in place that the facility should have 8 units. Christy mentions Adele, the purchasing manager. Are you available for a few minutes to discuss the requisition we just placed? Adele likes the post, and they have a call. In her discussion with Adele, she discovers the facility has added seasonal workers, and not all the paperwork has been processed. They'll need to get 8 new helmets out ASAP. Christy then clicks on the Requisition tab, where she updates the record and approves it. When the helmets arrive, the system will notify all stakeholders and change the status of the issue. New posts will appear in Teams confirming the PO has been placed and the order is on its way. Christy then clicks on the Safety dashboard. She'd like to get an overall feel of where each of the facilities are. She can see them in total, or she can filter and check on the Nutley F1 facility. Let's take a look at our design goals and see how we've done. The process is simple from both the creator and the consumer's perspective. It was created with no code and with familiar tools. For the consumer, everything needed to complete the end-to-end process is in one place, Teams. The process is collaborative. Stakeholders can easily collaborate on any of the individual work items. And we have created a feedback loop using reports and dashboards to measure KPIs and provide insights. Thank you for your time. I hope you found this video helpful and will inspire you to work on your use cases. Please feel free to connect if you'd like more information.